Have you ever thought about refinancing your student loans, but don't know where to start? The good news is that it only takes 15 seconds to find out if refinancing is the right move for you. Just go to cometfi.com and use the Refi Ready calculator to find out how much you could save. Comet isn't a lender. We're just here to show you the best refi deals out there that you might qualify for. Think of us like Kayak, but for student loans. All you need to do is type in the amount you still owe for your student loans. If you don't know for sure, it's okay to guess. Click Show Me My Savings. Refi Ready will show you how much you could save and help you determine if refinancing your student loan is right for you. For more personalized results, add in details about your income and credit score range. Take a moment to think about your goals. Do you want to lower your monthly payments or save more money over the life of your loan? Choose a longer loan term to reduce your payments, or pick a shorter term to increase your overall savings. Then, Comet will search out the best loans for your specific needs, all offered from highly vetted and reputable lenders. Compare different options by selecting a fixed or variable rate. If you're ready to apply, you can select the deal that works best for you and apply online right away. Not quite ready to refi yet? No problem. Sign up for notifications and we'll keep you updated about rate changes and refi deals. Or check out our blog, which is full of resources to help you make smart decisions about your financial future. It only takes 15 seconds to find out if you're refi ready. Go to cometfi.com today to find out how much you could save.